I just did a video. I'm not sure if it worked or didn't work, so I'm going to do it again, and this way it gets saved. What I was talking about in this last short little live session is the stock market's in a correction. What I determine as a correction is once we start turning below the 50-period exponential moving average. It's a guardrail. If I'm above it, world's beautiful. Put it this way, there's also night and day. If we're above a 200-day moving average, it's okay, light. If we're below a 200-day, it's very bad. So right now we're in a little bit of a correction, as I see it. And you never know how bad the corrections can get and what can happen. I use the example of Japan. It resonates with me that it was a generation of lost stock investors, traders. The stock market went from 39,000 in 1989. It's still below. So the whole idea is to trade with caution, invest with caution. The way I see things, the leaders are getting hit. And when the leaders get hit and then we're falling below certain moving averages, i.e. the 50-period exponential moving average, time to be cautious. But that doesn't mean just go to, run and go short. I don't suggest going short. I think it's very dangerous. You can have these massive run-ups and short coverings like you saw in GameStop. It's not a time to go actually keep on holding shares because you don't know how bad it can get. Cash is not bad. Cash is a position. So with that said, what I do is I'm preparing for the next round, and the stock market will rebound at some point. And maybe we'll have this little short correction and tomorrow we'll turn up. Who knows? I'm watching and I'm looking for stocks that are holding up much better than other stocks. It's called relative strength. I'm looking for stocks that have gone down less and maybe even have gone up. And, just some of these real quick that I look at is Microsoft is holding up okay. And also Alphabet, Google, holding up. There's some cyclicals that are starting to shift. The minings were strong and then got whacked. That's what I'm saying. You have these big moving days that are big swings up, big swings down. You got to be careful. You can get whipped around a lot and lose money. So what I'm looking for is relative strength. And as Jim Ropel says, basketball's underwater. Imagine you take a ball in a pool and put it under the water. It pounces up. This is the idea of relative strength. Look for stocks that are holding up for when the market deems it turns around, i.e. above the 50. The best, really the honey spot is when it's above the 20 and the 50. So I hope you like what I'm trying to teach and educate. Join my channel, join my videos, and share it. Thank you. Hope this helps.